It's John Champion, and alongside me, Jim Beglin. And we're both thoroughly enjoying the atmosphere at Wembley.
Hi John, it's brilliant to be here with this fantastic atmosphere. I think we're in for a treat.
Here are the lineups for today. Anything of note before we get underway, Jim?
Listen, this is all the ingredients of being a cracker. I just hope I haven't jinxed it by saying that.
Off we go then. It's going right across the goal. Wonderful header. Great build-up. Pity about the outcome.
Oh, I thought he timed his run to perfection to arrive late then and get an effort in on goal. Defences always have a hard time trying to deal with that. Well, that should set them on their way and get into a nice rhythm. The early signs are very encouraging now.
Wants to get this forward. Stopped him illegally there. He knocks it in. Victor Sanchez. Now Baena. Victor Sanchez. Here's Baena. Now Joan Verdu. Oh, he wasn't taking any chances there. Here's Baena. Iborra. Valdo. Pedro Lopez. There's a shooting opportunity here. Here's Victor Sanchez. He sends it in. Cleared away from immediate danger. That's a throw. Now Cabral plays a long ball forward. Xavi Torres. Valdo. Sends it to the middle. Guided clear. Pedro Lopez. Barquero. Iborra. A long ball forward. Botelho. Looking to thread it through. Valdo. Joan Verdu. And with that, the referee brings the first half to a close.
I think it's been a very impressive defensive effort. They've never been broken down and contained the opposition attack extremely well.